In June 1939, the Heinkel 176, powered by a series of rockets, carried out the first flight in history with a jet engine. That same year, the company presented the torpedo bomber hydroplane HE-115C. It had 1,000 horsepower and with its two BMW engines could reach a speed of 170 knots. It was the hydroplane most used during the war by the German Air Force. It participated in the Battle of Britain and in the Mediterranean theater, being modified several times to be better adapted to different types of missions. Hitler was convinced that nothing could stop the devastating power of the Luftwaffe.